Let's talk about the kinds of weapons. Do you know how many weapons do you know or can you name? Just note it down, and after watching the video you will find out how many words do you know and how many words were new for you. Number 1, bomb, bomb, bomb. X, X, X. Arrow and bow, bow and arrow, bow and arrow. Dynamite, dynamite, dynamite. Grenade, grenade, grenade. Gun, gun, gun. Nunchucks, nunchucks. Can you use nunchucks? Nunchucks. Rocket launcher, rocket launcher, rocket launcher. Sword, sword, sword. Tank, tank, tank. Throwing star, throwing star, throwing star. Let's recap. We studied 11 weapons: X, bomb, bow and arrow, dynamite, grenade, gun, nunchucks, rocket launcher, sword, tank, and throwing stars. Now tell me how many words were new for you. Just write in comment below. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and give me a like or thumbs up